Okay, we're back again. It's been several weeks since we've been back here, and they've replaced the sidewalk that was broken. Got all the landscaping in. Light, address. Oh, they have the wooden floors down too. Okay. So into the first bedroom. Still needs the carpet put down. Closet. Sink. Hey, they put the toilet in. Of course, the bathtub. Have water. That's great. And looks like they've started installing the elevator. Yep, it's locked. Elevator's not working yet. Now, over here, this is the colors for the stairs. We picked the one with the blue on it. Kind of hoping that'll match the wooden floor pretty good. Then we'll go up to the second floor. Okay, the floor's done here too. And the air conditioner's on. Look at that. Wall sockets are in. Second floor elevator. Thermostat. That's pretty neat. Hey, there's a toilet in here. And there's a mirror. And plumbing's in. Lights are on in the kitchen. They've taken off the plastic off of the granite. All the wall sockets are in. Backsplash is in. Kitchen sink. Very good. Still missing a socket there. Okay, feels nice and cool. It's about 80 degrees outside. I think that's around, what, 22 or 23 Celsius. Just trying to do some quick math in my head. Okay, so let's go up to the third floor. Okay, here's the third floor. Master bedroom. This gets carpet. Looks pretty good. Wood floors going down the hallway. Whoa, check this out. Look at the floor tile. Bathtub's in. Light fixture. Mirror. Tub enclosure. I'm sorry, shower enclosure. Check that out. Shower head on each side. Check out that huge mirror for Nina's side. Still can't get over this floor. And even have a toilet in here. I don't think the toilet was in the last time we were here. And then into the closet. Nothing's been done in here. So we just circle around and come back out. Looks like they're doing some touch up. They put the molding in there. Some molding there. Same here. Of course, linen closet. Alright. So back in the hallway. Got the elevator. Doomahickey there. Floors are in here too. Ceramic tile in the laundry room. Got the gauge on to check the pressure for gas leaks. Got a sink. Don't have the plumbing in here yet. Let's go up to the fourth floor and see what's going on up there. And they've got the railing ready to be stained. They're going to stain the railing the same color as the floor. Okay, so 4th floor, all the wood floors in. This is a mechanical room. It's kind of like an attic. Nothing's been done in there. And we have a thermostat on every floor. Elevator is locked. This is a YouTube studio. Guess I'll turn the lights on. There we go. And closet. And the alarm system and internet and blah, blah, blah. Here we have another bathroom. Tiles in here. Wow. Looks like it's ready to go. Okay. And then this is the game room, which we'll be using as an office. There's the flooring. Be glad when all this paper's off so I can really get a full look at it. And here's the attic access. Pull the cord and you have stairs. Okay, well, according to the builder, we should be closing in about 2 or 3 weeks. So we'll give you another update as things progress. Thanks for watching.